What's up everybody, Ronnie here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some DIY acoustic dampening panels using this insulation I got from a HelloFresh box. Stick around. Alright, now really quickly, there's a difference between sound dampening and soundproofing. Sound dampening is when you put stuff on the walls and floors to prevent sound waves from bouncing back and forth and creating that mud that you hear in microphones. And soundproofing is, well, soundproofing. You're preventing the audio waves from exiting that space, and that gets really expensive, and I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to dampen the audio a little bit by putting something on this back wall over here. So I plan to use the insulation I got from that HelloFresh box, but it's a little thin, so I want to combine it with this, some EVA foam mats that I got from Walmart. I had these lying around the house from a cosplay project that I did back in the day, and I thought, hey, this would make a good, strong backing for the foam. After I attach those together, I plan on wrapping it in some felt fabric that I got from Joann's.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so here we go. I only did 2 panels right now. I'm going to do some more in a little bit, and then we will see how they look on the wall. But I did a purple and a black. I think they turned out pretty nice. They're sturdy like I wanted them to be because of the EVA mat, and it has a nice little cushion in there because of the insulation from the HelloFresh box. I was planning on gluing them, and I was planning on wrapping the entire thing, but then I used a staple gun and it worked totally fine. The back looks kind of janky, but we're not going to see that. It's going to be on the wall. I do have to figure out how I'm going to fasten it onto the wall. I'm planning on using those Velcro command strips because those are pretty strong. I'm going to have to probably clean up the back a little bit so they fit and then just kind of stick them on. But I'm really proud with how they look. And when they fit together on the wall, it's going to look pretty sweet. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys the final product in just a sec. If you like this video and you like what you see, let me know by hitting that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm really proud of how they came out. A lot larger than I thought it was going to be, but I have enough room to put a second group over there. And yeah, hopefully this helps out with some of the noise dampening.